Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. Welcome to our Mandarin class today. We are going to talk about another common error together, which is stroke direction. Let's go. 我, which means I. It contains many strokes, so sometimes we may not be careful enough to make sure each stroke's direction is correct. For example, we may write 我 like this. So today, I'll teach you a method to help you to understand the stroke direction better. When you are writing characters, you can put each stroke into this box, and remember where this stroke starts and where it ends. For example, the first pair of characters here, this stroke should start from the top right and ends at bottom left. In the second pair of characters, this stroke should start from top right to bottom right, not be horizontal. I believe you can understand the stroke direction better now. Here are 3 pairs of characters. Find the correct one and write down a word or phrase that uses this character,